Hello, it's Raina with Lilo Crafts coming on today with the most fun project shares. I have 23, 23 to share with you of all items that I colored in with watercolor pencil. I feel so blessed because the Hippie Crafter contacted me and asked me if I would like to try out some of their products. And I looked on their website and they have such awesome creative things. They have paints and they have these pencils and they have pens and they have pouring items. I mean, they have so many really cool interactive products on there. And I said I'd never tried watercolor pencils, and I asked them if I could try them and the watercolor paper. So this is a giant pad. It is 11 by 15. There's 15 sheets in here, all acid free. It's 140 pounds and it comes in a set of 2. So I got 2 of those, and I got these 72 premium color watercolor pencils. Now, let me just say, I am not an artist, okay? So please take that, or a colorist. So please take that into consideration when you look at my examples. But I want to show you how gorgeous these are. It has a thank you card. And look, here's some of the other things they have. Epoxy resin, mica powder, tie-dye kits, sketchbooks. But look at all these gorgeous colors. That's tray 1. Here is tray 2. Tray 2, and there is tray 3. Now I used colors in all 3 of these trays, and I had so much fun, I literally could not stop, which is why I have 23 things to share with you today. So let's start back with these little hot cocoa cups. These are gingerbread cups, and I thought they would make beautiful card fronts, right? Look at that. But look how the colors just blend so easily. There's no hard lines on those at all. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's just so cool. I have always wanted to be able to get that shading effect, and I've never been able to. I want you to see, this is an alcohol marker snowman, gingerbread man that I was trying to make for an embellishment or a card front like this. But I wanted him to be a little bit softer, but I wasn't able to. And you see, I still have these coloring lines. Now, I was pretty excited about that. But now that I did that very same snowman with these watercolors, oh my gosh. I'm just in love. Look at that. There's no lines. Now you can use these as regular colored pencils and color it in, or you can also activate them with water, which is what I did. I colored in first and then I activated with water. So I've got this snowman as a gingerbread one, and then I've got this one that I used gray to highlight him. Look at him. Oh, he's so sweet. So here is this very sweet mitten. Oh, I just love the softness that the watercolor brings. I made some gingerbread people and a little Christmas tree and pastel. Oh, I've got 2 of those. And then I made some tags where I experimented with dark, medium, and then light in the middle. Some green around the outside that says sprinkled with love. And look at this one. It's a little face and gingerbread hugs and candy cane kisses. I made gingerbread people. Oh, look at these ones. Look at these sweet little gingerbread people. And I used 2 different colors of brown in here just to experiment and see which ones I liked better. Then I made some little gingerbread people. Look at those. I made some candies. Oh, look at these. I mean, and the color can still be vibrant but soft. I love that. Or it can be very pastel. And then I made 2 of these little reindeer. Oh, I think those are so sweet, those little reindeer. Oh, here is yet another one of these little mittens. So here's one that I haven't cut out yet, and you can see that they're colored in a little different. These are green stars and these are yellow stars. And I've got a snowman face with warm winter wishes, but look at the shading on that nose. I think it's so easy to achieve, and I literally did gray more on just the left side than the right side. I just love the way that that turned out. And I've got the use of these little Christmas trees. I made a shaker out of a junk mail envelope, and I did this gingerbread hugs and candy cane kisses, but I just love the way that tree looks inside of this pocket as a little shaker. Look at this gingerbread guy. I made this as it can go in a journal or it can go in a recipe album. So there's that sweet little gingerbread. This is also a junk mail envelope. You open it up. I've got music paper over here, green paper over here, and then this is a tag pocket in the back. I even covered the back, so if you wanted to use this as a clip-in, you could use it as a clip-in as well. I've got this hot cocoa cup here. Oh my gosh, look at those little marshmallows, those toasty little marshmallows. And I wanted to show you how it actually activates. I'm also sharing this as part of #ThatMoreMakes, which is an open collaboration that's hosted by the amazing Jillian Norwood, and I'll put a link to her channel in the description below, and that's where you can share any kind of creative thing that you have been working on. So I want to give you a couple tips on what I learned when doing this. So first I learned that you want to go from light to dark if you want a shading, okay? If you smear the color from dark to the light, then you're dragging that color over with you. So you always want to start from the lightest and then go to the darkest. Now I'm just using one of these little water pens. Okay, so let's start in the middle and we'll do the pink. Can you see that changing right before your eyes? Oh my gosh, that's so amazing. I love that. Look how it's softening that and taking away all those little lines that of what I was coloring in. So here I go. I'm just coloring this in. Oh my gosh. I really hope you guys will go and check this out. I highly recommend this. I am so not an artist, and I cannot tell you how much fun I have been having with these. Okay, so we've got that, and now I'm just gonna blend in to where it's a little bit darker. And I'm just squeezing my little applicator brush here just a little bit to get a continuous flow of water. Now I did squeeze this too hard, but I'm gonna come back and get that. So there we go, and I'm gonna go on this side too, and drawing them in together. Okay, look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so fun. Okay, so now we can blend all the way out. Okay, so look at that. I'm just going all the way out. Okay. And then I'm going to go right on this highlighted line. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's like my favorite part, is that when you go to the highlighted line, it just makes that beautiful. Look at that beautiful stripe. This makes me look way better or more artistic than I actually am. And I'm so thankful for that. Just cannot recommend these enough. I think you will have tons of fun doing this, and it's super relaxing. I just cannot tell you how much fun this is. And I hope you'll try it. Okay, I'm gonna do the yellow in the bow. Yellow, okay, and then I'm gonna blend into the green. And because I want these to be blended, I really don't have to even clean my brush. Okay, so you can see that. I'm gonna go over these green lines right here, give those a little soften. And I also made these leaves, and this was from a stamp, and I went ahead and colored them. These were the very first ones I made, so not quite as successful as all the gingerbread ones, but I did want to show you what I started with. That is it. Look at that beautiful cocoa mug, how it came out compared to where it was before. So I hope that you will try this, and thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you have an amazing day.